Hey, what's up guys, Bodhi here, and I just wanted to do a bit of a review and unboxing of the Blackhawk Street Series V3. I've just got this e-skateboard, it's my first one. I read a lot of the reviews online and you guys can go and check out the reviews online as well. This one has a ton of good reviews and a lot of these reviews say how good the customer support is and how this is such a good beginner board for anyone who's getting into e-skateboarding. So I just wanted to show you guys what you get in the package, unbox it, and also obviously show you guys as I'm riding it around and my opinion on it. So check this out and I hope it helps you guys in deciding whether you want to get one as well. So let's unbox this and get a look at it. This took about, what did it take? 2 days and it arrived. So in Australia, instructions. The remote. Alright guys, so just to turn it on, you have the remote here, which just looks like that. And then you just press the power button that you can see there. Just like that. And you'll see it'll tell you the battery down here. Obviously it needs to be charged right now. And then on the remote, down the bottom, it has an on-off button. Press that. And then it goes and connects, as you can see there, and then you just accelerate up the top, and this actually brakes as well, so I can hit the brakes. But for now I've got the charger out and I will charge it up so it's full power and ready for use. And cut. Alright guys, so after having this board for about a week, I can say that it is a really good entry-level board for anyone getting into e-skateboarding. It has a battery life of about 15 kilometers, I'm pretty sure, which is a long way, and a lot of people use it to go to and from work. I use it just for fun. It does up to 25 kilometers an hour. The bigger boards and way more expensive boards do up to about 35 to 40 kilometers an hour, but you are paying another $1,000 on top of what I paid for this one. So my honest review is, as you can see, it's a really good board and it definitely does what I wanted it to do. For the price and with all them good reviews and the good customer support, that's why I went ahead and got it. So just an honest review, no affiliate links or anything down below, just want to do a review because I was looking for so many different reviews on YouTube and there wasn't that many. So check it out if you're keen, definitely get one. See you guys later.